In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Security. Following that, tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Now click on Setup Face Unlock, read all of the disclaimers and instructions and hit Start at the bottom right corner. Finally, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done at the bottom right corner. Adjust those two options however you want to and tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!